Hi guys, what's up? Today we're gonna talk about how Among Us become that popular. So let's get started. While released in 2018, it was not until mid 2020 that Among Us saw a surge of popularity, initially driven by content creators online in South Korea and Brazil. Bromander state that Mexico, Brazil, and South Korea are even more popular location for the game than United States, according to the Willard Twitch streamers. Sodopopin, I don't know how to say it, Sodopopin probably, made the game popular on Twitch, yeah, in July 2020. Following this, many other Twitch streamers and YouTubers began play Among Us, including Promite content creators e.x.e. I'm sorry if I say wrong that Pokemon, Shroud Ninja, and PewDiePie. And there's some information about Inner Slot. Inner Slot is a Redmond, Washington based on video game development studio. I'm 100% sure you don't know this, right? If I'm right, you can write some comments this video below. And never mind, most notable for creating the games Among Us and the Harney Stickmin collection, the developer team persevered when their product did not find success immediately after game release and waited and adapted their strategy. Inner Slot faced growing challenge after repeat success and increased popularity in 2020. So guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. This game is kind of sus, you know. So never mind. I don't know what I'm saying right now. See you next episode. If you like the video, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you a lot.